Hi, I am Dom Cavallero, Training Specialist for Malco Automotive Products. Today I'm going to show you how to enhance the hydrophobic properties of your ceramic coated vehicle with Malco's EPIC Hydrosheet Plus, ceramic wash and wax with graphene. Hydrosheet superior cleaning agents will easily remove dirt and grime from your vehicle before the advanced drying agents kick in to reduce the vehicle's surface tension and promote sheeting during the rinsing process. After rinsing, silicone wax and SiO2 polymer enhanced with graphene are left behind to provide a ceramic-like hydrophobic barrier that increases durability, depth of gloss, water beading, and chemical resistance for up to 60 days on coated vehicles and up to 30 days on uncoated vehicles. Now, to use EPIC Hydrosheet Plus, first you have to rinse the entire vehicle with a pressure washer in a cool, dust-free, and shaded environment before washing. Do not allow the vehicle to dry before washing. Hydrosheet Plus can be used in a foam gun, foam cannon, or by hand. If washing by hand, Malco recommends the 2-bucket wash and rinse method with a grit guard. Fill 1 bucket with clean, rinse water. In the second bucket, add 1 to 3 ounces of EPIC Hydrosheet Plus per gallon of water. First, you want to agitate the soap bucket with a sprayer for superior foaming. Using a microfiber wash mitt, wash a large portion of the vehicle with the top to bottom in straight overlapping airflow motions. Be sure to rinse the wash mitt frequently in the clean rinse bucket before returning to the soap bucket. As you wash from panel to panel, be sure to rinse each panel as you go. Do not allow the soap to dry on the vehicle, as spotting will occur. EPIC Hydrosheet Plus is formulated to enrich and maintain hydrophobicity, shine, and depth of gloss on coated vehicles. Upon the initial use of EPIC Hydrosheet Plus on an uncoated vehicle, it is recommended to either wipe down the vehicle with a damp microfiber towel and repeat the wash process, or simply repeat the wash process a second time to build up the layers of ceramic protection. After each wash, Hydrosheet Plus will continue adding additional layers of ceramic protection. You will notice instant beading and sheeting properties upon rinsing the vehicle with a power washer. To activate the sheeting properties and speed up drying time, you must flood the vehicle's surface using a slow, solid, steady water flow. Be sure to rinse all panels and crevices thoroughly. Next, dry the vehicle in a straight overlapping motion using a chamois or a microfiber towel. To minimize excess water droplets, it is recommended to use a blower around the doors and moldings. EPIC Hydrosheet Plus is designed to be paired with the EPIC Pro ceramic coatings and EPIC CR2 ceramic spray coating to deliver a winning combination of durability, shine, and protection. To learn more about Malco Automotive products, visit malcoautomotive.com or subscribe to your YouTube channel.